Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our headless HMIs, the cMT-SVRX-822. Let's take a look. Okay, let's open the box. And the first thing you'll see is the warranty. And then there's the installation guide for the headless HMI. Then you'll see the headless HMI and it's wrapped in anti-static, so we'll remove it from that. And the cMT-SVRX-822 comes with Easy Access 2.0. So Easy Access 2.0 is included with this headless HMI. Let's remove the box out of the way. So on the front of the HMI, there are two LAN ports, LAN 1 and LAN 2. They're Ethernet ports for uploading and downloading your project as well as going online. It's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Above that is a 2.0 USB port used for uploading and downloading your project, as well as it's used for extended memory, so it's used for backup files. Right here where the COM is, this is a DE9 serial port, which is RS-232 and RS-485. It's also used for various serial protocols. And then at the very bottom, there is a green power connector, which is your 24-volt DC power supply. If you flip this to view the top of the HMI, there is a micro SD card slot. This is used for extended memory as well for uploading and downloading your project, and it can be up to 32 gigabytes of memory. And then on the bottom of the HMI, there is a dip switch and a reset button. Right here, I have one of the Maple Systems Web HMIs. Now I'm just going to use this to display the EBPro project from the headless HMI. So I'm going to use EasyWeb on the Web HMI, and then I'll also be showing you EasyWeb from a browser. So first, I'm going to power on the headless HMI and the Web HMI. Insert the power connector. And insert the power into the headless HMI. Okay. Then I'm also going to insert a Ethernet cable into LAN 1 on the headless HMI. Then also an Ethernet cable into the LAN port on the Web HMI. So now they can communicate. And so now I'm going to turn on the power supply. The Web HMI will boot up as well as the headless HMI. Okay, so here's a demo project that is on the headless HMI, and we're looking at it through EasyWeb here in the browser in the largest screen, and then also in the bottom of the corner in the camera, you're looking at a Web HMI that also has a demo project on EasyWeb. So let's just go through some of the features in the demo project, and then I'll go through some of the Headless HMI System Settings in cMT Viewer. You can change some settings in cMT Viewer for the Headless HMI. So let's just click on switches and lamps. And it'll be a delay for the Web HMI, but then it'll load as you saw there. You can turn on bit, turn off, and also change the state of your multi-state switch. You can use the jog up and down. You can change the state. You can also use some of these toggles down here. Let's go home and let's take a look at the trend display. You can see a simulated trend display here. I'm just going to move the camera over so I can see the home button. And let's go to recipe database. And if you click this arrow here, it'll bring you over to the recipe example. So there's a recipe example in the demo project. Let's go back home. So now let's take a look at cMT Viewer. So to connect to your headless HMI and cMT Viewer, hit the plus sign. You can either type in the IP address here. You can find that IP address as add, and then the admin password is 6 ones by default. So 111, 111, hit enter. And it will open up your project from the headless HMI. So here is a demo project. This is in cMT Viewer, so it's open up your system settings. We'll go back, and right here, the tool icon. You'll need to enter that add in password again with the lock icon here. Click that. 111, 111, hit enter. And now you can look at some more settings. You can change your password here, language, and then general tab, change some settings here. You can show start button. So these are just some of the system settings. So now what I want to show you is how you would download a project from EBPro onto your Headless HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Okay, I am in EBPro now, and the first thing I want to show you is that there are over 400 communication protocol drivers that you could connect to in EBPro. So to do that, go to your Home tab, System Parameters, New Device, and then here you can click and you can see all the communication protocol drivers here in this list. Okay, now I want to download a project to the Headless HMI. You can see the cMT-SVRX in the bottom right corner of the screen. And we have it powered on, and we have it connected to our Ethernet cable. And then also on the right side of the screen is cMT Viewer, which is the demo project. You can see the trend display, and on the left side is EBPro. So now let's download this project to the HMI. So go up to Project and click Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address entered here, and then check off Runtime. Now remember, you can also use cMT Viewer on your tablet or your phone, as well as your PC. It's going to download the CXOV file and say extracting. And you notice that cMT Viewer does get disconnected when it's downloading to the HMI. But once the project downloads to the HMI, it will automatically refresh the project in cMT Viewer. It's going to reboot the HMI. It's going to say finished, and then you will see the demo project refresh in cMT Viewer, and then you will see the trend display start simulating again. And remember, you can always connect the cMT Viewer on your phone or on your tablet or on your PC to view your project from your Headless HMI. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our Headless HMIs, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro training series on the Maple Systems website under the Support tab in the Video Center. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.